Welcome back to Concepts in Arithmetic. In this video we are going to talk about something that can be a little tricky sometimes, and that is the idea of division by zero. So most people know you're not allowed to divide by zero, but it's not some sort of arbitrary rule, okay? We cannot specify an answer for division by zero. So let's talk about why. So remember, we're defining division using this missing factor interpretation. Okay, so 6 divided by 3 equals blank. Whatever answer we're going to put here has to be able to answer this question over here. Okay, so the answer to this division problem is the answer that would make this multiplication fact true. Okay, so 6 divided by 3, and let me just use a different color for this or something like that. I wonder if this shows up as different enough on your screen. It's not really that different, but whatever. So 6 divided by 3 is 2 because 2 times 3 is 6. So let's go here and think about this problem. 6 divided by 0 is what? Well, I go to the missing factor interpretation. Blank times 0 equals 6. The only problem is, no matter what number we fill in for the blank, the product on the left-hand side will always be 0. It will never be 6. So there is no number that we can fill in that will make this multiplication statement true. So division by 0 is undefined for that reason. Now, you might say, okay, well, the problem here is that's a 6. What if that were a 0? Then we could make it true, right? So let's look at what happens there. And let me go up here to the top. Okay, so 0 divided by 0 equals blank. Okay, so go to the missing factor interpretation. Blank times 0 equals 0. Right? Now, the problem here with blank times 0 equals 6 is that no matter what number we filled in, we didn't get 6. Here we get a true statement. No matter what number we use. Okay, so up here it did not specify any answer, and down here it does not specify a unique answer. Okay, so in either case, this does not define a number that we can definitively say that's the answer to this division problem. Over here, there's nothing that'll work. Over here, everything works. So we say division by 0 is undefined, and it covers both cases. Some folks might go and say 0 divided by 0 is indeterminate, but let's just kind of simplify it and say undefined for division by 0.